From the beginning, when I was young, my parents were collecting old things, and I was watching this all my childhood. And when I started living alone in my own flat, I was a student, I didn't have enough money, so I went to that trash. And look, oh yeah, that's great. I will take this home, and like this I start repairing old things. If you want to do these things, do it yourself. You have to be practical, very practical, and you must have imagination, and you have to use Pinterest.
Smo res veliko delali.
Na pol, pa na četrt, ja, tako.
Zelo podpiramo te stvari, da se stvari ne mečejo stran, da ljudje pač dobijo voljo, da nekaj sami naredijo in to jim je poseben užitek.
Kar se tiče naših strank, da se prav skupaj s stranko opravimo preko prijetnega razgovora neko popravilo njihovih izdelkov. Takrat se zbližimo, kaj povemo tudi preproste stvari, hkrati pa tudi popravimo izdelek, ki ga stranka prinese seboj. Stranke, kateri nas obiščejo v repair kafeju, v glavnem ne poznajo toliko zadeve in so zelo veseli naše pomoči.
What did you bring today to repair?
Copper pots.
Okay.
These are mine. They're basically just dirty. They have to be cleaned up, but it's not so easy to do because it's been probably years since they've been used. So. Now there's soda, like bicarbonate. Take a look at this one. This one I've cleaned a bit. The inside part is cleaner than the rest.
Our society is like a throwaway society. We just go and buy stuff, and then something just small is broken, and we throw it away and go get another piece. And I think this is irresponsible.
It's also kind of sad that it's that kind of way of life, because everything has to be so quickly and we don't have time to sit down and repair, and it's easier to buy something new.
In Slovenia, I think most people are close for this kind of lifestyle.
There's a whole mentality and a whole philosophy behind it that has to change, but that's going to take time, I think, time and education and effort.
Da pri vseh stvarih, tudi pri hrani, pri oblikah, pri odnosih med ljudmi, da je treba delati na tem.
I think it's a great idea that people can use these repairs for something they need to hold on to, because they don't want to throw it away, and it's a good thing that these things have their lives again.
Super, Hvala. Ой,